And this is what it looks like in the middle of October when you live in the UP. Yep, we are getting a snowstorm. That white stuff, that is snow. I'm sure it won't stick, but I just wanted to give a short video and show you guys what we're getting up here right now. So our day to the pumpkin patch has been delayed. 1 hour later. Snow. Yeah, there's sand for the sandbox. We have not had a long enough time period though for this to dry out from the rain so that I can get it varnished and, well, polyurethane coating on it so that it can be outdoor ready. And now it's snowing. I think I need to find a garage to borrow. And now, back to normal. Gotta love Yooper weather.